Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can change your payment account on Google Play Store. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store. And then you need to click on the profile picture on the top, right? Then you need to click on this drop down. And here you can see add another account. So here you can see I added my 2 accounts, then you need to click on add another account. And here you need to add your pattern. And here you can add another account by simply adding the email. So let me enter a random email. Click on next. Then you need to enter password and click on next, and you can easily add an account. So this is the simple process by which you can change payment account on Google Play Store. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.